Guys, so I used all the soap that West Coast Customs gave me, trying to make this video as best as possible. And I already filled up the foam cannon twice today to get the best result possible. I already filled up with 6 ounces this time. That West Coast Customs car wash plus high something. The point of this video is, the point is that what I'm trying to say is that you gotta have warm weather for car washing, and then the other thing is that you want to have hot water in your foam cannon. You want to shake it up real good to mix all the soap in properly with the water, and then you want to rinse the car down properly so that way you get all the dirt off, and you want to pre-soak it so the foam sticks on real good. So anyways, this is the West Coast Customs Car Wash Plus. You put a microfiber down so I don't scratch my new phone up. Yes guys, I had to get a new phone. The Huawei phone had a glitch on YouTube. And yeah. That's besides the point of this video. So check that link all down. This soap is pretty good. Look how thick the foam is on the driveway though. Like, and then on the hood. I guess part of the reason why the stuff falls off really fast is because it's pretty efficient soap. To the point where it makes water bead, and I know I might have said this before, but maybe it does this on purpose, so that way you don't have to rinse as much off. Maybe that's the point of the soap. So, yeah, I'm sorry I didn't show a full bottle of car soap because I've already ran out of it. So I love the stuff so much. Let's shoot it again. Do it again, I'm gonna do a swivel test. Oh my god! Well, make sure your phone rings. Now do a super test. Test. guys, this is no different than the new Turtle Wax Carnivore Wash Wax that came out. You're going to still get the same amount of suds as the Turtle Wax sub for a cheaper price. Other thing is, the last one I used this soap in the foam can. It beaded more good. I blow dry the car now, just the water beating off the car, instead of having to touch dry it. But I'm also going to be uploading another review tonight about the West Coast Customs synthetic wax. I'm going to be putting on my whole dad's car, and I'm going to do a vlog about that in the next video tonight. So, hope you all enjoyed this, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Comment below saying you've subscribed, and I'll go ahead and subscribe back to you guys. Going to find a genuine person like that. And the goal is to reach 100 subs in the next 2 months. Fingers crossed. I'm not gonna. It's no big deal. The subs are just subs. If you get what I'm saying. The views is what counts in the United States. So I'm gonna rinse all this off, and then we're gonna get on to the synthetic wax for the next video. So, Keybase 879, peace out.